This is the Omega Seamaster, diver 300 meters coaxial, model number 212-304-120-01003. The white outer box simply features the Omega logo and opens up to present a light wooden case and a documentation compartment on the right hand side. In this compartment you'll find the white wallet, pictogram card and warranty card. The high-gloss, light wooden box feels well built with a push button to open it, silver hinges and a subtle orange trim on the cream interior. When you lift the inner lid of the box, you'll find compartments for spare straps, tools or cufflinks. There is a soft cloth case provided to protect your watch if you decide to travel with it without the full case. The first thing you'll notice about this watch is that it is one of the smaller examples of the Seamaster range, especially when compared to the Planet Ocean collection. However, this is no reason to think that it is any less of a dive watch, as it is still water resistant to a huge 300 meters and features a helium escape valve to allow it to remain undamaged as helium leaves the watch during decompression after deep dives. This is also an updated model of the Seamaster worn by Pierce Brosnan as James Bond in GoldenEye, and has retained many of the recognisable features such as the bezel and the bracelet, making this a truly iconic watch. The face of the watch is simple, featuring a black lacquered dial with a skeletonized hour and minute hand and a second hand with a red tip. There is also a date window at the 3 o'clock position. It is surrounded by a matching black ceramic unidirectional bezel and a really subtle yet beautiful scalloped edge. This watch also comes with a blue face and bezel and otherwise identical features, which either offers you a choice of colours or the option to buy them as a matching pair, maybe one for yourself and one for a loved one or a friend. The face is protected by domed scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and anti-reflective treatment on both sides. On the right-hand side of the watch, you'll find the screw-in crown, and at the 10 o'clock position on the left-hand side, you'll find the helium escape valve. At the heart of this watch is the Omega Coaxial Caliber 2500, although you won't see it as it is protected by the steel caseback featuring the famous seahorse emblem and the words Seamaster written above it. The 5-link bracelet is brushed steel with small polished highlights and fastened with a 2 push-button release clasp featuring the Omega logo. On the wrist, this watch should fit most people and is slim enough to fit under a shirt sleeve for those days at the office. This will make a great watch for everyday wear and will suit both casual and office attire, and even your favourite wetsuit when required. It's at a good price point and would make a great gift, an entry level into watch collecting or an everyday staple. You can find out more about this watch on our website at www.iconicwatches.co.uk. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more watch unboxings coming soon. Iconic Watches is an online luxury watch specialist, with a dedicated showroom in the High Street of Blackburn where we have been for the last 71 years. We sell 100% genuine watches at discount prices and are a member of the National Association of Goldsmiths. All of our watches are sourced from authorised dealers and come with an original manufacturer's warranty and carry a lifetime guarantee of authenticity. We stock over 200 watches that can be dispatched straight away for next day delivery, and if we don't have what you were looking for in stock, we can order from one of our authorised dealers. Order online today and we can ship it to you with worldwide delivery available. Find out more at iconicwatches.co.uk.